Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell how to change the payment account in Google Play Store. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Go to the Play Store on our Androids or tablets. In the upper right corner, click on your profile. Here we have one account. We click on Payments and Subscriptions. Once again, we select payment methods. As you can see here, I already have a debit card linked to my profile. In order to change that, the best way to do that is to simply log back out. Again, in the upper right-hand corner, I click here. And here I click Choose Another Account and choose another account if you have one. If you don't, you click Add New and add it. I choose my other one. I switch over. Then again, in the top right corner, click on your profile. I select Payments and Subscriptions. Then Payment Methods. And now, here I can add, that is, change my payment account in Google Play Store. Add a debit or credit card. That's how easy you can do it all, on absolutely any Android phone. If you liked and found this video helpful, you can give it a like. Thank you for watching, that you watched the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.